Hey, well, welcome back to the channel. Ooh, I want to tell you right up front, okay? It helps the algorithm if you leave a thumbs up, thumb down, a comment. People watching these videos and nobody's doing anything. Anyway, enough of that. You never know what you're going to find here. It's always different. It's always interesting. It's just me in the bunker, right, doing my own thing, trying different stuff. I'm what you call a minimalist, but I use 21st century technology. So, what do you say? Let's go get involved with something. Don't know. A friend of mine says you need to make this. So let's go down this rabbit hole a little bit. How's this? Says, oh, it's the greatest thing to eat. My favorite meal. So let's make his favorite meal. So I asked Cleatus. I said, how do I make an omelet using my induction wok? So we got a temperature here, we got a pan, no water, no dairy, just salt, cook, and do it. Sounds pretty simple. So what do you say? Say it with me. Let's go to the lab and cook Cleatus's omelet. Now, here on the bench we have our cooking wok, 350 degrees. Boom, there we go. Cleatus said that. It goes up to 275, so it's close enough. 275, 300, little spot of water. And bang, hit it with the egg. Right, that's what Cleatus said. And don't touch it for a little bit. So I'm not touching it. Now it said once the edges, see how it slides around nicely? Look at that. Start folding it in more towards the middle. Right, get rid of the egg snot. Right. Oh yeah. Now, this is the same kind of way you would make a frittata or whatever. Anyway, I'm really not happy with these eggs, but I'm working with them. I'm working with them. Now, I wanted to flip it, but no. This is an omelet. Okay, so we have to do omelets. Oh, look at that. Let's hit it with some chili and some cheese. Oh, wait. Oh, what was that? We got cut off. We got cut off. We got to see the after thing here. Come on, really. That's all right. We'll speed her up. Oh, look at the skill, right? It was a good thing there. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Very nice. I did speed this up a billion times, so you've seen this before. It's making an omelet. It's nothing exciting. Nothing exciting. And then we're going to hit it with some cheese and chili. Where's the cheese and chili? Come on. What's going on here? There you go. You got to remember, this is a one-man show here, right? Ooh, and the cheese. That's right. Look at the flippage. Wow, perfection. Look at that. Tell you what, let's take a look at this. There, look at the color. Everything. Very nice. Now this thing is heavy. There's a lot of food here. Very nice. Very nice. Look at the brownage and everything. Very wonderful. But you didn't come to look at that. Bang, look at that. A chili cheese omelet. Very tasty. Very good. It's pretty good. I don't know if it'd be marvelous, but it's good. It's very good. Not too shabby. Question is, would you eat this? Right? I don't know if it's a breakfast or a dinner or whatever, but well, look at that. Oh, again, not too fluffy because that's what milk and water do. If you look into it, nice omelet. Look at that. Oh, and the cheese and oh, just very good. It's very good. A friend of mine said, so how was it? I said, well, what is it? He said, well, it's egg and chili. I said, well, it's okay. It's whatever you put it in. But anyway, appreciate. Oh, my. Thanks for popping in. Spend a little bit of time. Please, thumbs up, thumbs down. The government already knows what you're doing, so let's mess with the algorithm. Anyway, I'm out of here.